Back on the camera. Ollie, what's going on? We set up camp inside.
Yeah, it's a bit phony, isn't it? We're just going to do a quick walk around of this thing. Cool. The reason we made it is because we made you one, and everybody went, I want one. So then we went and got another one of these, and another one of these. And we've made a few of these now. And this is a debugged version of your one. Because you went and drove around in it, told us what was great, told us what sucked, we changed everything, and now you're going to see inside this and be really jealous.
Can I have this one after?
No. Standard, you know what this is. Pure grey, bundles. Pretty goddamn straight, this one actually. Very smart pants. 18-inch oversized steels, Falcon Wild peak tyre, which goes really good on road. Goes pretty good off road. Reality is 99% of the time you're on road, just killer on road. Makes your van sip fuel, doesn't make loads of road noise. Original suspension, so it's not ruined. ABS arch trim kit, because that makes it look rugged. T6, coolest shape in our opinion. Textured bumpers. Apart from roof bars, awning rails on both sides, and a solar panel up there. Outside is OEM, bitch. Oh, and custom house decals.
Oh, this is new.
I know.
This is. Oh, man, this looks way better than mine.
Oh,
yeah.
Just everything has been rethought out a bit better.
It looks very different, man. No bed.
I think Josh was supposed to, he just hasn't done it. But I'm not pissed off because we're part of the same team.
This is a good spot for this.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
So you got sockets, 12 volt and 5 volt, they're on or off. Lights on or off. And that's your leisure battery, which is under your seat. Yeah, it's a pretty OEM-y install, but that battery gets charged by your solar when you're chilling, but it gets charged by your engine when you're on the move. And then you've got all of your fuses and doodahs and scary stuff down there. Easy peasy. These seat covers do feel quite nice.
They're nice, man. Good in my bum.
This is pretty nerdy, you're gonna laugh your head off. This is for your phone and it charges it.
Whoa, no way. That's pretty good, man.
That's quite a nice.
That's pretty good.
That's quite a nice touch.
That is a nice touch.
And here there's just shitloads of room, because that's what you wanted.
Yeah, for a bike.
Motorbikes, surfboards, helping your friend move house. Just not a lot of shit. Big ass drawer. This is you, coffee.
Perfect.
Perfect design for Primus stoves. That's really good spot for your supplies. This is one cubby holder, just for your knickknacks. Surf wax. You're gonna be jealous about this actually.
How does it work? Oh, can I please have that in my van?
Max's one didn't get the great details. But not only that, do you know what this does?
No. What is that?
Stand back.
No. What? Why is it so strong?
I don't know.
Take someone's head off.
See that PSI?
Jesus. So there's a shower?
Yeah.
What?
Spray your board down.
Why the
spray
fuck?
your bike down.
This is. Why didn't I get this in my van?
I'm so sorry.
Fuck.
We'll bring it in. We'll retrofit it.
Yes, please.
Reading lights, shower. Then actually I haven't figured out the rigging for the desk yet. But ultimately that is going to be your desk. And then this is kind of sexy. Worky bits. And then sleeping time, right?
Yeah, that's great.
Double bed. Full size.
That's insane.
Well, the reality is, if you're on your own with your bike and you can sleep single man.
Yeah.
But if you need to go double because you're getting lucky, that's bonus too, right?
Man, this is an upgrade. This is version 2.0 to the max.
Yeah, I mean we haven't completely finished it with the rigging, bungees, bits up the roof, etc. But fundamentally, like, it's a hell of a wagon, and to have the ability to have a shower and hose your kit off is pretty cool. But yeah, that's it.
Amazing. Maybe can I have version 3?
This is version 3.
Okay, all right. I'll be back for that one. Nice.